Today we'll be discussing cash management. In this module, you'll learn what actions you can perform, especially when it comes to handling post-dated checks, PDCs. Within PDCs, you'll explore what is your APPDC, accounts payable, what is your AR PDC, accounts receivable, and how to manage them efficiently. For example, whenever you receive a payment via check, the system provides you with an interface for check details. This is what the check interface looks like when it appears on your screen. You can also search by date. Let's suppose I select a specific date from here. After selecting the date, I'll click on Search. Now all the post-dated checks PDCs available for that date will be displayed on your screen. You will see complete details including receipt number, check number, status customer name, maturity date, amount notes. Everything will be visible here. If you want to make any changes, simply click on the check number. From there, you can change the account, update the date, and in the notes section below, write something like check cleared. Once done, click Apply Changes, and your check will be marked as cleared. If you want to see the differences, click on Status, then select Cleared and hit Search again. A list of all cleared checks will now appear. You can also search by bank number if needed. And that's how APPDCs work in our system.